Today we're gonna be reviewing a portable handheld vacuum cleaner. Here's what's in the box. Got an attachment, another attachment, got a filter, a little manual, more attachments, cable, a little brush, attachment. Brings a lot of attachments. And the handheld vacuum. So this is the vacuum right here. Nice color. That's a nice display right here. This is the chamber where all the dirt goes in to discharge the dirt or the trash. You just press this button and it comes up. And now then to change the filter, you just turn. It's right there. Let's pull it out. Change. Same filters. Put it back in. Same thing. Just push. And twist. And you're ready to go. Squeeze. You'll see how much battery you got left. It has two settings, eco mode and then max. You can see, let me turn it on real quick. It says eco mode and max. It's pretty light. So I think it's 1/4 pound. So it's not heavy at all. You can have it for a long time, for a long period of time while you use it in your car or in your apartment, your house, your RV. Has a whole bunch of attachments. Got that one. It brings two hose connectors. You just connect the hose. And then connect this to there. And then you're ready to go. It has 15,000 PA of sucking power, so it's perfect for your car, for quick cleanups that you need to take care of. It's not heavy, so you can use it for a long period of time. In eco mode, it will last up to 28 minutes of use, continuous use. So max will be probably half of that because we'll be in the max setting, so it'll pull more energy, but it's rechargeable. You can put it on your car to charge while you use it if you have a long enough cable. There's the charging port, a USB-C. So let's take it to a test. Let's see how it does in my car. All right, so we're gonna be testing portable vacuum in eco mode. The max mode. It works good. It works really nicely. The attachment. This is in eco mode. Just picking it up. So max mode now. Just pick that up. Another attachment for the hard to reach places. You see it working. Then to get rid of everything you picked up, just press that button. This comes up and you're ready to go.